Welcome to Mosaic Music, a platform where we exercise music, we break down the lyrics to try and get the message behind the song. We always give positive feedback. We encourage others. Besabanya nyabakwara. Yeah, just something, guys. Come here. Anywho, what's up, bro? And hey, Sila, we are here. We are here, man. Now, big shout out to people who are enjoying me and this platform. And hey, it's crazy. It's crazy. So as I'm recording this episode, this video, we are currently sitting on 290 subscribers. 10 subscribers away from 300. In which I thought I would have reached it maybe by the end of the month, but no. No. Shout out to Holiness, shout out to Izamkolo Ministries. Thank you guys for reaching out. Some people from Izamkolo were actually happy. And I'm glad, man, to have discovered Izamkolo. Big shout out to Holiness. Holiness of God. Shout out to them. Their video is doing crazy numbers. Say reaching 100 views by the time I'm recording this video. So it's crazy. It's crazy, man. Like I say, this platform is for all of us. And also don't forget to give me recommendation. And thank you to the messages that I keep getting on TikTok. Guys, I love you guys. Like I really appreciate you guys, man. And yeah, I mean, what more can I say? I'm shocked. So today we are reacting to Faith Apostolic Church in Zion. Konke kuyenzeka. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. That lady has such a sweet voice. No, man. Hey, the first part, she has a sweet, like her voice is so sweet. Like it's so sweet, man. No, man. Like I'm Lucy is one of the first part, man. You have a sweet voice, man. I'm just falling in love with you. I'm you know, guys. Oh, to my Indian viewers, the song says Konka Genzeg. It means it's more like the Incredibles is happening, but not necessarily that, but it means through him everything happens. Through God, everything happens. So That's it. It's just the first part. The first part, man. That's it. And I'm like listening. And I'm like, man. And mind you, the view in which they shot it. Uyabona ukuthi isifutho ibase netena zila. So there was a first part. Excuse me. The muntu oshaya first part, that means she's on the other side, right? On top of all of this, she's audible. I always say, ngihlezi ngisho into one, and I'm gonna keep saying the same thing all the time, is that if first part does better than, if I mean not if first part does better, if the first part is louder and it's audible, you have already won my heart. That's all I can say. I there's no more convincing me after that. You don't have to convince me because I can hear you. You understand? Like I can hear you. They just sound so beautiful. Hey man. And when I went to Google to go and look for Faith Apostolic, I see it's a church that's been around for years. Like it's been around. I don't know when they started everything. Maybe possibly when I do the next video on them, I might have a few details. Or they will tell me in their comments when the church was founded, because sometimes it's just hard to get that information. You see, that's the whole purpose of this YouTube channel. Is that I also want to make sure that people know the history of Ibandla. So now that I've exposed, I wasn't really going to say this, but also I am. Well, I will also do a segment on this channel, specifically breaking down the beginning of almost every church that I can get enough research around on. When it was founded, how it was founded, how many members it has, how many branches they have, the leader, the music, and everything. I'm just going to, you understand? But I'll only do that once I have enough information based on each church, because I don't want to say stuff and then next minute totally wrong. You understand? So yeah, that's why I'm like, I don't want to make this a podcast type. No, I just want to make it more informative. So for sure, man. But outside from that, man, I this is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. First part. Sakhala ke first part Nkosi yami lo sisi lo mama. However you is. Whoever you is. To people that watch my channel and they're not really from Zion, and you're not like from Zion, or you're from another, or you're not in Zion. Just let me just say, if you're not in Zion, basically, um, or you just a different ethnic group, maybe you white, or you are Afrikaner, and some way somehow you found this channel, or you're not, or you don't speak any other language outside from Afrikaans and English, and all you can hear is just English and Afrikaans. Let me tell you something. Half of these people don't even have vocal training, right? Half of these people didn't even go, they didn't get proper singing lessons. That is the scariest thing about being in Zion. That's when I say talent is so impeccable that majority of people who go to Zion don't even have any kind of vocal and singing lessons whatsoever. But the reach some of these people have is insane. It's insane. When I say 80% of the people didn't get, the only training they got is where they church. They got there and then they said, sing like this. And they got it. None of them. I mean, I can attest to it. My mom was one of them. Certain people I know was one of them. My aunt was one of them. You get me? These people got no training whatsoever. But you put them in a room. Hey guys, I don't know. At this point, I can't even say, this is foot. Where is the alto? Where is the back? Where is the bass? Where? I just can't say that. At this point, it's more like, if you are not impressed, walk. That's all I can say. If you are not impressed, uninking, because number one, they are as audible as they. Number one, secondly, if first part is parting, is photo is twittering, the bass is bursting, it tenor is standing, the alto is altering. Like, what more do you want? Like, at this point, the only thing I should want, me as a YouTube reactor, is to hear these people in person and come back and tell you guys and be like, yo, what I heard, this is beautiful. No, this is beautiful. You know what I mean? Like, being from Zion is such a wonderful thing. You could take two words, bruh, 2 or 4 words, and make the most beautiful song anyone has ever heard in their lives. Just 4 words. Konke kenzakala kuye. Imagine konke kwenzakala kuyo. That's 2 words, bro. That is 2 words. You take a 2 word and you make it to a 5-minute song. You must be out of your mind. You take 2 words and you make a song out of it. If that's not impressive, then I angas. Like, bruh, like you see, like, you know, hey, the chemistry that you look at, the execution of everything, it's just impeccable. That is why I always say, when you listen to churches, don't listen to churches with the expectation of your favorite church, because you know you won't enjoy it at the end of the day. Lalela faith is faith. Vale lapho. Expect your faith to do what faith does. The only time I'm a compare it mhlazane bayocompete kumakhwaya what. That's when you can say, they can they? Yeah. Nje. I mean, these people took three words and made it a 5-minute song. I think that's one thing is so underrated about Zion music, is the fact that we take simple words and make a song out of it. Aye, guys. Aye, Faith, no. I need to make sure that I react to more videos as a Faith. Like, I have to make sure that I do, like, I do, and I will do that. You understand? So, yo, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And also give me a recommendation. Keep them coming. And thank you guys for all the shout outs and for all the tagging that is happening. And listen, guys, I will react to stuff. Just be patient. I understand. There's a lot of things. Nami as me, there's already a lineup that I have. So sometimes there is a lineup and then you want me to react to whatever it is there. Now I have to put it in that lineup. I can't just you messing up. You messing it up. But just know that when I do react to that, I will also give you a shout out on this channel as well, both on the description and on the video. So yo, in the favorite word of this Jupiter, adios.